Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your transaction alerts with Discover Card easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your transaction alerts with your Discover Card, begin by logging into your Discover account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Discover website. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. Once logged in, locate the account section in the main menu. Click on Manage Alerts to view your alert options. Here, you can see all the available transaction alert settings. You may want to check the ones related to purchases, payments, and any other relevant transactions. To add a new alert, select the type of alert you wish to receive. Follow the prompts to customize your alert preferences. You can choose to receive these alerts via email, text message, or both. After customizing your alert, click on Save to apply your changes. Now, return to the account section to review your current alerts. To ensure your transaction alerts are set correctly, monitor your email or phone for recent activity. If you receive an unexpected alert, verify the transaction by accessing your account. You can view a detailed transaction history within the account section. If you have any doubts about the legitimacy of a transaction, contact Discover Customer Service. Always keep your contact information up to date to ensure you receive alerts promptly. By following these steps, you can effectively verify your transaction alerts with Discover Card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.